brushes her long blonde hair, and then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. Then I wonder of it all, is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I've got an aching head, so I'll give her the car keys. She helped me to bed, and then I tell her, as I turn out the lights, I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you are wonderful.